The Sovema EM2 72-inch finish mower, Italian made. We've got everything assembled. We're going to grease this thing. We talked about the jack shaft, keeping things greased. I want to fill this thing up. When we talked about the weep hole, and you may or may not understand what I'm talking about, but regardless, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I read a lot on this. Woods and Land Pride, read a couple of those. They say 50 pumps. We'll see what this one's going to do here. I can hear it. We're at about 60. Look right here. Focus right here. There it comes. That's the weep hole I'm talking about. Okay, we've got it coming good right here. That's what we want. So, grease this thing. Every time I run mine, I'll do this. I might run 4 or 5 hours a week on it when I mow my place, and I pump it till it comes out the weep holes. So, there's that. Maintenance. Thank you for watching.